Wisconsin and nearby states. In Milwaukee, it was cloudy. The temperature was 73 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity was 90%. The winds were northeast at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.98 inches and rising. At Kenosha, it was mostly sunny, and it was 79. In Racine, light rain was falling, and 77. At Waukesha, it was cloudy, and 72. In West Bend, it was cloudy. The temperature was This is a weekly test of the No Weather Radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over this and other newer radio stations in southern Wisconsin will normally be activated for watches and warnings that affect the following Wisconsin counties: Richland, Vernon, Adams, Juneau, Marquette, Waushara, Winnebago, Calumet, Manitowoc, Sauk, Columbia, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Dodge, Washington, Ozaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha. And the following Illinois counties: Stevenson, Boone, Winnebago, McHenry, and Lake. And all adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan.